Alright, here comes the Uncle Danny stuff. Nick's about to drink it. Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to do this like a soldier. Take one for the team. First off, I like to pack all my drinks on the table for close range.
Oh, did you actually packed up all that?
Yeah.
Do it over the sink, in case it spills. Oh, dude. I can't smell. Oh my god.
Let me get some bread too, so I can absorb the flavor.
Oh, dude. Oh man, that shit's powerful, man. Oh.
How much should I drink? Just that whole entire, pretty much what I feel?
Yeah. I wouldn't even put that much, dude. Actually, my mom gave me a full glass of it one time. She put it in soda. She put it in soda, alright?
Nasty.
Oh, put the cap back on, please. Like, why I'm bored as fuck.
Yeah. These all prepared?
Yes.
For drinking?
You're probably gonna have to spit out a little bit of it, alright? Alright, you don't have to open all of them.
Yeah, I do.
Just open up 4 waters should be 4 waters should be good, because those aren't glasses, you know. Oh, dude, this is disgusting.
Thing is, just smelling it makes me feel a little bit better.
Dude, no.
Oh, you want to witness it, Mom? You sure?
Oh, dude.
All right.
It's okay. Just drink the water. Drink the water. Keep drinking it. Keep drinking it. Keep drinking it until it's all gone. Are we going to Mosley? Are we going to Mosley?
Yeah.
All right. You're okay. You'll live. There's one.